All right, guys, so I've had quite a few questions on this, on the Honda Maintenance Minder, and I just wanted to make a quick video to let you know what they are. And as I'm going over this, if you want to pause the video and do a screenshot and print it, that way you'll have it. So these are the codes. On this side we have A and B. And on this side, we've got numbers 1 through 5. So as your maintenance minder, and this chart works all the way up to 2015. So A, if you have an A1, it's replace engine oil and rotate the tires. If you have a B, that's replace the oil and filter, inspect the front and rear brakes, and all the other things here on the chart under B. 1 through 5, so say you have a B 1, 2, 3, that would be to rotate the tires, replace the air filter, replace the cabin filter, and replace the transmission fluid. 4 is replace spark plugs, inspect valve clearance, and 5 is replace the engine coolant. So like I said, this chart works all the way up to 2015. 2016, it's pretty much the same thing. They just went into a little more detail on some things. So A is still replace engine oil. And I got a comment that, you know, if you're replacing the engine oil, I don't know why you wouldn't replace the oil filter also. So, you know, make sure you're taking care of that. But then B is going to be all these other inspections all the way down here. Down to inspections of the fuel lines and the connections. Now, they did add this in 2016, the transmission fluid for the CVTs. Now, the one thing that did change is the numbers. They're still, 1 through 5 is still the same for the most part. But then they added number 7 to replace the brake fluid. And then for some reason on my, I subscribe to ALLDATA, and it didn't have a number 9. So 9 is to service and replace the brake pads and rotors. Now obviously, if you get that indication and you have had your brakes serviced recently, that's you can pass on that because you have documentation that the service has already been done. And on these newer cars, you want to make sure that if you are doing the work yourself, you're keeping all the receipts of what you're doing and what you're spending, because in case of any kind of defect in the car, you're going to, if you go back to the dealer, you're going to have to prove that all the service has been done to get any kind of warranty work done. So like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video on this. A lot of people, I don't know, some people have complained to me about the maintenance minder. I kind of like it because it will tell you what you need. And in your owner's manual, you will have these charts that will tell you, it will kind of break it down for you. Whereas with other cars, I have to go into ALLDATA and say the car, 2010 Honda or a Toyota Corolla, by the certain mileage, 110,000 miles, you got to look that up and see what's all required. Not everybody has access to those manuals. So this is kind of a simpler system that, more customers, more car owners will have access to. So anyway, I just want to make this quick video. I've had a couple people ask me about it, so I wanted to make this video. And so I hope this helps you on your Hondas. Make sure you're keeping up on that maintenance, because if there is any kind of problems, they'll find any reason, to disavow any warranty if you don't have proof of your services. So make sure you're staying up on this stuff. And thanks for watching my channel, and if this helped you, give me a thumbs up and like the video. If you have any comments on it, please comment and I'll try to get back to you. And we'll catch you on the next one.